Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today
We will see how to crochet this circle and make it as big as we want.
we will see how to crochet this flat circle.
Okay. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small, but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration, and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual, we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch.
Now we will make 3 more rounds, and pattern for all three rounds is going to be same. We will start each round with 2 chain crochet stitches. Then in next stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch, and next stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch. Using back loop of every stitch, you have to make other stitches also. And in next stitch, that is the third stitch, we will make 2 double crochet stitches in one single stitch itself. 2 double crochet stitches in one single stitch itself. So it's a pattern of 1 1 2 1 1 2. This we are going to repeat for whole of the round, and for 3 and we are going to make 3 rounds.
Following same pattern, you can make it as big as you want. This is for tutorial purpose, that's why 3 rounds.
Now after this, for next round we will make 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, using back loop of every stitch. 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. Now this round comes after you have completed your desired length. It's like for tutorial purpose I made only 3 rounds. You can make as big as you want, and then this round of 1/2 double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Now for the last round, it is only 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, all around, 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around. That's it. Then our black portion is complete. I'll just complete this and show you.
Now this is how a final piece looks like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. As you have seen, complete tutorial was with written notes, slow demonstration, easily explained, step-by-step instructions for there. So plus I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.